Okay, so now we want to discuss question 1 for paper 2 set 3 section A. Okay, diagram 1 shows part of wedding cake consists of several layers. Each layer of cake is in cylindrical shape and with a height of 8 centimeter. Okay, so for each layer of cake with dia punya ketinggian ialah 8 centimeter, and the topmost layer of cake has a circumference of 25 centimeter, and the radius of each subsequent layer of cake is increased by 4 centimeter from one on top of it. So the volume of the bottommost layer of cake is 14,112 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so for this part kita akan ada dia punya ketinggian ialah 8 centimeter. Okay, and then kita cari dulu radius for the first topmost layer cake, because given that the circumference is 20 pi. Okay, so circumference is 2 pi r equal to 20 pi. Okay, so 2r equal to 20. So the first, the top layer has a radius of 10 centimeter. Okay, and then the radius of each subsequent layer of cake is increased by 4 centimeter. So means that the top layer is 10 centimeter, and then the second part is 14 centimeter, 18 centimeter, and so on. Okay, so given that the bottom most layer of cake is this volume. Okay, so kita kena calculate the bottom radius. Okay, the bottom radius. So kita equate dulu dengan volume dia. Okay, so we have the volume for cylinder, which is pi r square h, equate dengan 14,112 pi. Okay, and then kat sini pi kita boleh potong, and then r square h is 8. Okay, and then we calculate, and then we get r is equal to 42 centimeter. Means that for the most bottom layer of the cake has the radius of 42 centimeter. Okay, so kita nak tahu berapa tinggi dia, maknanya kita kena tahu berapa bilangan cake yang kita, berapa bilangan layer yang kita gunakan. Okay, jadi kat sini kita kena guna Tn lah. Kita nak tahu berapa terms all together. Jadi given that kita kena susun dalam bentuk radius. Okay, susunan radius, sebab kita tahu the most top layer adalah 10 centimeter, and then 14, and then 18, and then the last one is 42. Okay, jadi kat sini A dia adalah 10, and then D dia adalah 4. Okay, and then we have to find the Tn with the last the bottom one, which is 42. So we masukkan dalam formula A plus 2n. Okay, so kita masukkan ke dalam formula term. Okay, and term, jadi A plus T times n minus 1 equal to 42. And then you rearrange, and then you will get n equal to 9. Okay, so from these we know that there are 9 layers of cake, and each layer has the height of 8 centimeter. So the whole cake would be 9 times 8 equal to 72 centimeter. Okay, we go to question B. A ribbon is used to decorate the wedding cake. Find the total length of the ribbon needed. So maknanya kat sini kita kena calculate the total circumference. Okay. Okay, so kita akan create another new progression. Okay, with in terms of circumference. So we have the first the top layer is 20 pi. That one is the top layer, and then second part, and then third, and then the last one, which is has the radius 42. Okay, so we just calculate S9. Maknanya S9 kat sini adalah for the whole circumference. Okay, ke 9 layer dia tu. Jadi 9 layer tu kita kena cari 9 circumference. So kita boleh guna another formula which is A plus L. Okay, instead of awak guna formula N over 2 times 2A plus N minus 1D. Okay, this one kita boleh guna kalau kita tak ada last term. Okay, kita hanya ada first term. Okay, this formula you can use bila dalam progression tu, sequence tu given that the first term and also the last term of the sequence. So we already have the last term which is 84 pi of circumference with the radius of 42. So, okay, we can use this formula. So we just substitute as 9, okay, 9 over 2 and then 20 pi, the first term. Okay, and then plus with the last term. Okay, so this one, circumference ni dia kena guna formula 2 pi r tu lah. Okay, and then you masukkan radius yang kita dapat sebelum tu. So the total length of the ribbon needed is 468 pi centimeter. Okay, so we go to question number 2. Diagram 2 shows the curve y equal to x squared plus 3 intersect with the straight line 2y plus 3x equal to 20. So this is straight line and also a curve. And then they intersect at the point A. The point A is 27. Okay, calculate the area of the shaded region. So area shaded region, bila dia bagi curve dengan straight line ni, you kena guna integration. Okay, bila you integrate from one limit to another limit, means that you will get the area of the shaded region or area under the graph. Okay, for a shaded region, for this part, we have to integrate under the area under the curve from the limit 0 until 2. Okay, so we'll get this part of shaded region. Okay, but for this one, you just calculate the area of triangle. Okay, so we integrate the first part is from 0 until 2 with the equation of the curve x squared plus 3. And then we calculate the area of triangle, okay, with the height of 7. And the base here is 20 over 3 minus 2. How did you get 20 over 3 here? Okay, you can take the straight line equation, 2y plus 3x equal to 20. And then you substitute with y equal to 0. Okay, we can find the x coordinates here because when the line intersect the x-axis, means that the y coordinates is equal to 0. So for this part, we have x equal to 20 over 3 and then 20 over 3 minus 2 times with 7. Okay, so this formula to calculate the area of triangle. Okay, and then just integrate for this part. Okay, and then you substitute the limit and you add the area of triangle and the answer will be 25 units square. Okay, we go to question B. The volume generated in terms of pi when the region bounded by the curve, the y-axis and the y equal to 7 is rotated through 360 degrees about the y-axis. Okay, so about the y-axis, okay, formula untuk volume integrated, maknanya you kena volume, you can integrate x square dy. Okay, pi. Ada tinggal pi. Then you integrate y-axis mesti x square. Okay, so for the volume generated, y-axis and then y equal to 7. Okay, so ini lukisan ni lah. So kita just tengok kepada curve sahaja. Kita ambil function curve sahaja and then kita generated volume dia sampai y equal to 7. Okay, so untuk this part, we can find the value for y here, the limit y here, when x equal to 0. So you just substitute you substitute x equal to 0 to the equation, and then you get y equal to 3. Okay, so we integrate, okay, from 3 until 7, respect to y-axis. Okay, so pi x square dy, okay, x square, awak dapatkan daripada sini. Okay, y equal to x square plus 3, so x square is equal to y minus 3. So you masukkan dalam ni, formula ni. Okay, and then you integrate, letak pi dekat luar because pi is only a constant. Okay, and then you integrate, and then last part you get the volume generated is 8 pi unit cube. Okay, so we go to question number 3. Okay, diagram 3 shows a piece of rectangular cardboard and an open box that is made from the cardboard. Okay, the box is made by cutting out 4 squares of equal sizes from the corner of the cardboard and then folding up the side. Okay, so maknanya dia akan buang part ni 4 square at the edge of the cardboard. Okay, and then dia fold dapatkan bentuk cardboard ni lah. Dapatkan bentuk box ni. Okay, so find the length of side of the square to be cut out in order to get a box with the largest volume. Okay, bila part largest volume ni kat sini dia nak tahu length paling kecil. You kena buang paling kecil lah, maknanya perlu kena buang kat sini supaya kita dapat volume box ni paling besar. Okay, so kita akan refer kepada largest volume lah. Jadi kat sini kita kena guna bila sebut largest ke maximum yang paling awak boleh dapatkan volume. Okay, so dv over dx. Okay, inilah application untuk differentiation. Okay, so dv over dx equal to 0. You kena cari dv over dx equal to 0 and get the value of x. Okay, maknanya bila dia value of x tu, maknanya kat situ ialah value untuk length side x yang paling yang you boleh pilih untuk you dapatkan volume tu paling besar. Okay, boleh faham kot ayat dia tu. Okay, jadi kat sini kita calculate dulu volume untuk this box. Okay, so ini yang length kita dah dapat lah daripada sini. This part is x, so x. Okay, this one is 30 for the whole length is 30 minus 2x, and then for the part of width is 16 minus 2x, and then the height is equal to x. So we put into the formula for volume of the cardboard. Okay, volume of the box. Okay, and then we rearrange, and then we get v equal to 4x cubed minus 92x squared plus 480x. Okay, and then we find dv over dx for this part, and then we equate with 0, and then you get x equal to 10 over 3 and or equal to 12. So since kita akan pilih x yang paling kecil, so kita akan potong dia paling sikit kat situ, so kita akan pilih 10 over 3 instead of 12. Kita tak pilih lah. Kalau pilih x 12 tu maknanya box tu paling minimum yang boleh awak formkan dia. Awak boleh buat box yang paling kecil x equal to 12. So dv over dx ni you boleh calculate sama ada the maximum or minimum. Okay, based on the value x yang awak akan dapat lah. Okay, so we go to question B. The minimum number of the box needed to fill with this pudding. Okay, so kita kena bahagi dia. Okay, since kita dah dapatkan value x tadi, kita kena cari dulu value of box tu dulu. So kita substitute value of x which is 10 over 3 daripada sini tadi. Okay, you masukkan dulu, and then you dapat this part, you bahagikan dengan volume pudding. Jadi kat sini kita perlukan 8 boxes needed. Okay, itu sahaja untuk question 1 until question 3.